Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an interior stateroom 5118 on MSC Seascape. So let's go. In here, you have your garbage can, a mirror, a chair that you can pull out and sit on. Here is your warm and cold that you can change the room. In the bathroom, you have your door that leads into the shower, and you have your shower, soap, and shower. Here you have all your towels, your toilet, stuff that you can put all your things on, 2 cups, toilet paper, and things to wash your toilet. And your sink. Head out here, you have your drawers with one with a blow dryer, and then more drawers that you can put other things in. Here is your mini fridge that has lots of storage here. Here's just something that you can put your ice in or something that you want. Here's just a tray and 2 cups. TV that can also extend as far as you want. Here's a thing that you can put all your things in, your TV remote. Over here is your 2 beds, your 2 pillows, and here are like 2 lights and the light switch to turn off the lights in the room. And over here is the same thing, 2 lights. And here is actually a charging cable that you can charge your things, and a light switch that turns off the lights. And again, 2 pillows. And here you have a chair and all your storage. Only these 2 open, this one doesn't. Over here, it comes with these that you can clip your things on, and it works because if you have dresses and like pants, you just clip the pants on here and you put your dress here. Up there's more storage and storage for your shoes and everything else. And also in here there is a safe that you just put your password in and it opens and it closes. And that's the room tour of 5118. I hope you guys liked it. Bye!